What is supply chain management? Supply chain management deals with how stuff gets made, moved, and delivered. Understanding how goods are made begins with examining the production process, how raw materials are transformed into finished products through planning, labor, and technology. From there, logistics takes over. This involves managing the movement of products from factories to warehouses and eventually to stores or distribution centers. Finally, delivery systems ensure that goods reach the end consumer. Whether through postal services, couriers, or same day delivery networks, these systems form the last link in the supply chain, connecting production to people. Supply chain management is the coordinated control of all the steps involved in producing and delivering goods or services, from the sourcing of raw materials to the final delivery to consumers. It is the system that connects suppliers, manufacturers, transporters, warehouses, and retailers, ensuring that products are made efficiently, moved effectively, and delivered on time. This process begins with the identification and acquisition of raw materials. These materials are then sent to production facilities where they are transformed into finished goods. After manufacturing, products must be stored, transported, and distributed to customers through a network of logistics and retail channels. At every stage, accurate information and timely decision making are essential to keep things flowing smoothly. A well-managed supply chain can reduce costs, improve product availability, and increase customer satisfaction. It also plays a vital role in helping companies respond to unexpected challenges such as factory shutdowns, transportation delays, natural disasters, or changes in consumer demand. In today's global economy, supply chains often span multiple countries and involve complex coordination across time zones and cultures. For example, a single laptop computer may require minerals from one continent, microchips from another, assembly in a different region, and delivery to consumers thousands of miles away. Beyond efficiency, modern supply chain management also focuses on ethical sourcing, environmental sustainability, and building resilience against risks. This means companies must consider not only how quickly and cheaply goods can move, but also how responsible and adaptable their supply networks are. In essence, supply chain management is the engine behind how goods are created, moved across the globe, and delivered to people. It is one of the most important systems powering modern life. Stay tuned for more insights into business and the social sciences. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on future topics you'd like us to cover. I'm Dr. Dag, wishing you a fantastic day ahead.